In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google account from your laptop or PC in just 5 minutes. It's a simple process, but navigating through it can sometimes feel a bit tricky. So let's break it down step by step to make it as easy as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google browser. Once you have your browser open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon, which is represented by either your picture or your initial. If you haven't set a profile photo, click on this icon. By doing this, you'll get a drop-down menu with various options related to your Google account. Next, within this menu, look for the Sign Out button. Click on it. This option will sign you out of your Google account on this particular browser, ensuring your account is no longer linked to this device. It's an important step in managing your online security and privacy. After you've signed out, look for an option that says Continue. Clicking this will allow you to proceed with the removal process. Be careful here. Make sure you don't accidentally sign back in during this step. Once you click Continue, you'll then find an option labeled Remove an Account. Select this option. This creates a list view of all the accounts that have ever been signed in on that particular browser. Now, locate the account you wish to remove. There should be a small remove icon. It usually looks like a trash can next to each account listed. Click on the remove icon. This action will completely delete the account from this list, meaning it will no longer automatically sign in when you use this browser. Next, we'll move on to a quick final check. Again, click on your profile icon located at the upper right corner. Scroll through and select Manage Chrome Profiles. This helps you manage the different profiles that Google Chrome saves on your computer, giving you a direct way to edit what accounts are available at startup. Finally, in the Manage Chrome Profile section, you'll be able to remove the account from the startup window. This ensures that the account you've removed won't appear as an option the next time you launch Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Google account from your laptop or PC. This process not only helps you clear out unnecessary accounts, but also strengthens the security of your private data. If you found this guide useful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials on managing your online settings effortlessly.